Importance of legal forms for future law enforcers. As a future law enforcers, studying the legal forms is paramount. These documents, thought often and perceived as mere paperwork, are the lifeblood of justice systems. They ensure fairness, accountability, and transparency in every legal process. By mastering their access in, we can effectively enforce the law and protect the citizens' rights and maintain order in our society. Also, to understand the legal form is to identify the potential violations, recognizing the inconsistency or discrepancies of can alert the potential criminal activity, gather the crucial evidence. Forms often contain vital information that can be used to build strong cases, and also to ensure proper procedures to following establish the legal forms guarantees that every step of the legal process is conducted fairly and accurately.